Right, so just lá back sé sin. So mi caiise le Jack hedwi. Ma yon sé hínar a dai. So is rud dúir sé mion sé hín trí na chuig go le híl dá 3 euro na 4 euro. Now, ma yon sé 3 ha go le híl 3 euro, so go le halú 3 euro agus a rís médi fa hín seisiú agus mion sé chuig tá go le halú 4 euro, so minus 4. So médi fa hín seisiú, so rís. Minus dá fa hín seisiú you to minus hín siú. Minus 3 fa hín seisiú you to minus le. Agus minus 4 fa hín seisiú you to minus dá scanna 3. Okay, so there's your expected value funny. And the expected value funny Jack. Okay. Now, reached upper monash funny shall I him a dragagene head section ele. So my genu Jack head we now my own cha if the outcome is 2, 4, or 6. So tashi that dot. My own cha da nash. What's the outcome? Kiva gives Jack he's up 6. He's up 6 euro. Okay, so 1/6 which the cosma heel. Okay. The Darnican, we own keher. You say euro wine, so 1 euro. So by 1/6, I reach cosma 1/6. Which is okay. I guess I can journal. We own she. He's up 1 euro. So by 1/6, which the cosma 1/6. So shin the expected value leak for your Jack. So he gets my heen kalisha euro, my 3 kalisha 3 euro, my quick kalisha carry euro. My da you say euro, my keha you say euro, my she you say euro. So the expected probability can be the rational dice. That's your expected value. So summation leaks this. Question is the calculator. Can't think then you be no. So it's in the homework calculator do let the hot. I guess you to omlan. No, just summate plus. So 1/6 plus 1/6, so shin 2/6 plus 1, so it's 1 2/6. Minus, well, so da plus 3 plus kehers and shaft art 9. Minus he is going to say my. So I got a value minus 1/6. Okay. So that means he expects to lose a minus 1/6. Okay. Now reached smoochie in terms of aggregate. So the expected value funny Jack has a cosmla minus 1/6 of a euro, which the cosmla minus 0.17 cent. Okay. Now goes in the right kernel as funny kiva. Okay. So funny kiva nash. It's the complete opposite. So raised you to heen 3 agus quick da keher agus she. So raised she got a euro, 3 euro, 4 euro. She got a halu she euro, kalu euro agus kalu euro. So raised me defa hin sheshu agus hin sheshu. As the raised expected outcome is 1/3 plus le plus yefihu minus hin sheshu minus hin sheshu. Now this because it's the complete opposite test going to the expected value omland cosmla should be 1/6 because it's just the opposite. Okay, so it's 1/6. Conversion Swiss. Okay, so this test going to equal expected value for your kiva is 1/6 which the cosmla charge cent. So she's going to gain charge cent and amplitude included. Now, part journal than Kish is the game fair. What's your fair that here? Yeah. So this just Kushad got the journal Neil She Cotton Neil She Cotton Margol Kiva Golela get Funya Hankli August Te Kiva is Guinea. So this is read Te Kiva Neil She Cotton Te Kiva Ignohu GNO for the TH and Gnohu. I think there's some listen to Gnohu August to Jackie Kali. So te níl se cartam ma jalar san. Which is okay listen. Jiggin siw doi Roman question us, yeah? So to just a target is jahan and as your x equals 0. Okay? Right. Sin question lahomadif? Shart. Right. O quiggy gan on ye? Sin gan on ye? No good on ye? Yeah. Right. So Ramdrake G to Shin Rashara Bugny Slew. Right. And just like that. Right, that's okay. Right. Right, okay, Kistella, Kist ever shart. Right. So Mouth to Kister shart. Ashton and Sarah play a game. Each writes down 2 different numbers from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they have no numbers in common, Ashton gives Sarah €3, but they have at least one number in common, Sarah gives Ashton €1. So to get the opera off, the outcomes of the league headway. So can the opera image image outcome on headway? So the rest which is an usher clear, right? So Mark this clear, picking Ashton yeah ever. Okay. So pick Ashton yeah ever as quick. Okay, I guess. Right, so Ashleen, says you got to pick yeah ever as quicker. I guess the Sarah got to pick yeah ever as quicker. Right, so can they in return? So 5 choose 2, I guess 5 choose 2. So 5 choose 2 sin J, maybe for J, so these tasks good will Kate result. Now the organization legal yesterday, so you are heen la da, heen la tree, heen la care, heen la quick, dollar heen, dollar dots, dollar tree, dollar care, dollar quick, and so on, so on, so on. Yeah? So the kid outcome and chat. Och sen okay again then. Now, J test gun this on question. Kahi Ashleen gives Sarah her €3 if there's no numbers in common. Right? So Ashleen lay €3 da Sarah, right? When they will ever be in common. So can they image more paku ever in the wall in common? So that means that Ashleen go to faku quick, yeah, ever a mass quicker. Okay? Now, my fucking shashi yeah ever a mass quicker, fit ever faku. True. So kahi Sarah yeah ever a faku mahas? True. Okay? Now, relation J made the 3, which the cosmos traha. Okay. So tantohalart be Sarah bunch. Okay. Tashin kajumla. Traha is gonna Kate. Jigging should write to my yan okay, so we just curtain probability. Right? So trash is gonna Kate tashin kajumla yamni point 3. So that's the probability. So obviously, Mwani and Ashleen, what's the opposite? Yamni point to shot. So Ashleen a bunch. Second right. Kajumla yamni point to shot. So Kanyam Jiganas. No, so Tash me off here. So Jane expected value, suits me to short team. But I can expect value showed that it's not a fair game. So you might expected value to Ashleen Hedley. So expected value to Ashleen. Okay, so the expected value to Ashleen Kajumla. So you got a value €3. I guess the probability 0.3, or there's a euro wine your ash. Ignore punch a shot. Okay, so it reached million to cash. Ashleen gives Sarah 3, but if they have at least one number in common, Sarah gives Ashleen €1. So this is going to gain a euro, what ever cost in tongue. Yes, so reached made the shinama. I guess it reached the shin kajumla luji nyamni punch nui plus nyamni punch shart, which the kajumla luji nyamni punch Luigi nevni punch dó. Okay, which the codumla minus 20 cent. So there's got a value 20 cent. Okay, now when you Saraha, what's okay? So the Saraha, expected value the Saraha, Galway codumla, obviously it's going to be the opposite, so it's going to be 50 cent. Okay, so J Higlin right? So Nielsa Cotton. So we reached Nielsa Cotton. Mar goal Ashlyn. They call you Arrogate. Egisaraha. Ignore. Okay, action part of the heap. Okay, would you follow behind us on as to the item of Rashishis? In Shakia? Yeah, right, out part of the dot and question is if they played this game 100 times, how much would you expect Ashlyn to be up or down? Right, so the Ashlyn got a high fade a hanama and in Quay. 50 cents. So it is when you part of dot. Dat ik al keed medifa 50 cent. Which the codum na? 50 euro. So dat je gole? Dat je gole? Hoe je gole weer west 50 euro naar Kali 50 euro. Kali. So dat je gole Kali 50 euro. So dat je gole Kali 50 euro. Was het oké? Okay. Right, Jenny had part of Nash. How much should Ashlyn give Sarah if they have no numbers in common to make the game fair? Right, so market this a backers in Nash. Jane formula we're going for the expected. So we get the expected value of Kodumla. When you fair out Kodumla 0. So the net call to 3 euro the to Mikorahisha minus x. Because now it's going faded as you get a hotch. So minus x, so for your party 3, maybe for your point 3 plus hin for your point short, x to migration away codumla, negation away codumla 0. Okay, so you to x trasnet to mifakula minus nemni to mifakula minus nemni point 3x cosmla minus nemni point short, so to x cosmla short is going to 3. Okay, so reached Bahorga Verici J short around 3 to my calculator here in it. Right. Da agus in 3 so Bahorga Verici yeah euro agus traha 3 yeah euro agus traha 3 cent. The next 3 euro. Wasn't the ancient kiel down. So Bahorga Verici Ashlyn yeah euro agus traha 3 cent. And that's 3 euro. I guess then quick here. Then quick you got away fade out. Right. I'm show you now to the in and us. Check out what my still record that. Right. Right, so catch every night. A game consists of throwing a die. You won the number thrown in euro. So what would be a fair entry fee for this game? So really to me just question the expected value. So smooth just to the cahow dice. So you never at their dice, he can she. So raise tashi off you do other die you to hin da 3 keher quick agus she. Okay? Now due to the gully yellow mark, so x on the wall the x. So the gully yellow mark 1 euro, 2 euro, 3 euro, 4 euro, 5 euro, agus 6 euro. So you know what to go yellow mark. You won the prize that BJ high into. Okay, now probability that x so hin shishu, hin shishu, hin shishu, hin shishu, hin shishu, agus hin shishu. So reach the x, the probability of x. Just see my table and chin. So reach the shin cosma hin shashu. Yeah shashu. 3 shashu. Kera shashu. Quick shashu. Agus heat. Now it's a wide nice for the shin in balance and lay the hummer. Now reached or hocking hot shays can the shay. Now Mohammed shin hin plus dash and 3 to 3 shays to carry j. So quick jakes the shay feast the heat. So you to feast the hin is can the shay. Okay. So the expected value codumla feast the hin is can the shay. Which the codumla ran shay shan feast the hin. I guess you to 3 punche. 3 punche quick. So J made your hard to yield. J made your hard to yield for inclusion. €3 I guess. Quick asset. So the clue here column to €3 I guess quick asset la yield. Okay. Then you get it in higher. So my utas a hin very much kate that's it. I guess me into shave kind of shave here. Like that flyler has inclusion nash mealy where just to go away faculous roughly. Yeah, because it's a fair game. It's more armor to his progress, you to the actual expected value. Remember to where the one it's just all in luck. Remember to yeah where and a 3 where it's all in luck. But remember there's a couple of mealy where to the goal with faculous 0 because it's a fair game. So you're then you be goal highly and then you be goal watch. So high thing does a giant casino highly bunny or pure luck. Right. Well, kiss you be Ellen Chen after Tony Chen. Right, please go. Trial kiss you every hinge. Okay, so shimmy driller showing you, shimmy driller probability you. Okay. Right, so you mean jig, 3 jig, agus quid jig, and ash agus shimmy driller Chen. Okay, hin jig, 3 jig, agus quid jig. Now that's it. Now, the two sides of a fair coin are inscribed with the numbers 1 and 2 respectively. In a game, this coin is tossed and the fair die is thrown. So reached the outcomes the tugutse to the goal of hin da 3 kehe quid agus she or die agus to the goal of flip a coin to the goal of hin no da. So there's your head or tail. So the outcomes you have to hin la da, hin la 3, hin la kehe, hin la quid, no hin la she. No, da la hin, da la da, da la 3, da la kehe, da la quid, agus da la she. Okay. The entry fee for the game is €1. Now if the two numbers obtained are the same, you won €4, including the entry fee. If the difference in the numbers obtained is 4 or more, you won €2, including the entry fee. Otherwise you lose. Right, so similarly to third. So if X is the random variable representing your financial position after you play the game once, state the possible values of X. Right, so the possible values to X, so what are the possible values of X? Okay, so X is your financial position at the end of the game. Now, so testing the outcomes leaking shot. Okay, so these tests can go n codumla or your sample space to there's 12 outcomes. Okay, now J high magella punch. If the two numbers are the same, so you know that hín agus dó le dó. So miúnta sa hín agus hín ná dó agus dó. Jit go le want. If the two numbers are the same, you want €4 including the entry fee. So, which includes the entry fee, so to go to €13. So it's €4. So smith your shot. It's €1 minus €1, so therefore you want €3. Okay. So, Jim probability the bunch. What fate that coming again? 2/12, which is 1/6. Yeah. So you have 1 in 6 chances to fall heen la heen, na do la do. Right, so she head part. Right, the darn the part. He let €1 want if the difference in the numbers obtained is 4 or more. Okay, so general divid is different that can have any small do. So how can I share here can so heen agus quick, heen agus she, agus dog agus she. So general divid is can have any small do. Then you heen mas quick you to care, heen mas she you to quick, dog mas she you to care. So she not saying true if it is can have any small do. Jet me gotta want. So you want €2 including the entry fee. Okay, so it is €1 minus €, so therefore to the bunch €. Now, the probability the bunch in shaw. So cause my 3 is gonna die so shin heen cat. Now, to the fact and shin, so shin head vert bunch. So what's the probability of losing? So, to dohalar that kalu, yeah, can do what the shards gonna die because the heen dot 3 kehe, quigger mas die to mit fakela shard. So shard and mas die. Okay, I guess you to go la halu to the go la halu euro. So you're minus €1 down. So it's kalu euro. Because that's your entry fee. Okay. Right. So in the possible values to get on us. So to the goal want now. To go want na to go halju. So reached na luane the x on the wall the x, so smith your shen. Na luane the x no wall the x go le customer to the goal want €3, €1 or to go halju euro. So it's 3, 1 against minus 1. We'll add a new okay lesson. There's your possible values of x for to go halju. Okay, so shin part every heat. Part every door. Expected value. By calculating the expected value, determine if this is a fair game. Now, so expected value customer. Right, so change the chances come on you with €3. It's 1 in 6 plus €1 fahin katu plus minus €1 fa chart is gonna die. So shin customer that yeah plus hin katu minus chart is gonna die. Right, so you get the national calculator to do the hard. Heen is gonna shape. Okay, now we'll clear fair out. Neal, could here? Yeah, so Neal and clear cotton. Now, actually, it's in favour of the if then you can't play le clear because they're going to gain 1/6 a hana. Okay. Okay, so it's not a fair game. I guess raised here because he gets rest to the expected value. Neal check cotton 0. We can just know what an expected value cotton 0. Okay, I guess in figure catch everything. Was you for the hang to show us? Yeah. So raised the operant is the amount that x values to for instance in the expected value of them off. Right, from 3, you cast over 3 jig. Let's just see my posters in this. There we go. So, bont quick euro to X color codrum la do. I guess there is the chance when you could la quick euro once. I guess you can join that. Bont share euro.
I couldn't find charts in your Apple Music library. You can ask me to.
Oh, that's a really good. Right. So it is bont share euro to X color codrum la. X color codrum at 3. I guess the chance of when you could share one faster. Right. So next to the gully in the table. Okay. So tashi off la X in the wall da X. Okay. Now the probability that X I guess in shen to me call her X may defy the probability of X. Okay, so race tash mitla X so to call lugi 3 nyamni heen da I guess 3. Now change the probability to call image is 3 8. So Muhammad is shot 3 care quick she shot art so like is gonna art 0 heen is gonna art dos gonna art heen is gonna art I guess heen is gonna art. Okay, so send that probabilities. Okay. Now, mid each and league more. So minus 3 for 3 is going to art. Minus 9 is going to art. You to 0 because relation 0 for other division 0. You to heen for dos going to art and dos going to art. So we just go like out the art near because in the forest you the home gejeri. Race dos going to art. I guess 3 is going to art. So race expected value. Codrum some each in league so you to 3 care quick she shot so minus dos gonna art which the codrum minus heen carry so that means that they're gonna value so they're gonna value is the quick set. Okay. Constructor saves showing the probability distribution of X and you can calculate the expected value of X and you is the game fair. So Niall and Clehe Cotter because Niall an expected value codrum 0. Right, so can you get Clehe and fair at it? If the game is not fair, what entry fee would make it fair? Next week, to me, €3. I have a file me to me go like highly fees a quick cent. So, what would be the fair entry fee? €2.75 would be a fair entry fee. Do you get because that way you must go like highly, and we got a highly road to be. Okay, so raised a part journal cost us. Cotton Don Clehe Colve Cotton €, like a sharp quick cent. The customer call you fee quick cent on them, so therefore to me yield €3, so me yield me 2.75. The expected value Colve Cotton 0. What's an okay again? Okay, right. Jim Amathesha. Right, so you'll give a quick jig in a shoe and then finishing Greek. Okay, we lad.